Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Barista Espresso machine. It comes to us for a tune-up. Then I noticed the machine also needs a solenoid valve assembly. Somehow that solenoid valve gets burned. And so I just replaced the solenoid assembly and I did a tune-up. And I found out this gasket, the group head gasket, like broken from many spots. This is very old gasket. So after deep cleaning for the group head, replace the gasket and give the machine many cycles of cleaning and descale it. So and give the also the steam wand, get deep cleaning. So let's go ahead, test it and make espresso shot. Oh, I put it in a single, but I need the double. I like to test the machines with a double shot. Yeah, this customer using the pressurized basket, so it's so much crema coming out of this with this shot. So let's test the hot water. That works great, and the steaming. It has some water in the system after we pull the hot water. And the machine got like also so many of these tiny O-rings replaced. Same like this one. Yeah, the machine now functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.